Welcome to day 1 of the 9-day Detox Series. Today is all about committing to this practice, so keep that in mind as we flow. To begin, come on to all fours, tabletop position. We'll start it with a few rounds of cat-cows. So take an inhale, a little back bend, and as you exhale, press down through the palms, taking chin to chest. Repeat that. Inhale, little back bend. Exhale, press and round the spine, chin to chest. Take a deep breath in, back bending. Press, rounding the spine. Exhale. You want to feel it in your core. Inhaling. And a full exhale. One more. Inhale. Press and round. Exhale. Come back to neutral. We're going to twist. The right arm extends to the right side. Thread the needle, weave the arm through. Come onto your right shoulder. Move your left fingertips over. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, twist a little bit more. Stay here. Inhale. Twisting. Exhale. Switch sides. Back to center. Extend the left arm out to the left side. Exhale. Weave that arm through. Tempt those fingertips, breathe, and on the exhale, that's where you're going to twist. In, back to center. Press through the palms. You make your way back. Downward facing dog with really bent knees. You're going to hold here. Keep pressing down through the palms, chest back towards the thighs. Lift those hips up a little bit more. And on the inhale, shift forward to a plank. Exhale, press back to that downward dog with bent knees. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. Exhale, press it back. Inhale, shift forward. And exhale, press some back. One more. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. Lower the knees down towards the mat. Shift a little bit more forward and then lower to a low push-up. And eventually all the way down. Come up to a cobra. Inhale. Lower down. Exhale. Inhale, lifting up cobra. Exhale, lower. Again, inhale, lifting up. Press down through the palms and exhale, lower. You're going to make your way back, downward facing dog. And here, taking a breath to pedal the legs out a little bit. Bending one knee, bending the other. Find that same flat back, straight arms as before. Remember to keep with your breath. Slowly walk the feet all the way up to the front, tippy toe. On an inhale, find a long spine. Maybe that means bending the knees. Here we bend the knees. And then transition, rolling your way all the way up to standing. Eventually the arms extend up overhead. And exhale, hands meeting at heart center. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, long spine. Plant the palms, step your left foot back in a lunge. Left knee is down, arms extend up overhead. And exhale, hands lower down. We're right back, downward facing dog. Inhale to a plank. And exhale, lower halfway or all the way down to the mat. Inhale, lifting to a cobra. And look over towards the right side. And then over to the left, stretching the neck. Come on back to center, downward facing dog. Here we step the left foot between the hands. Inhale to a lunge. Right knee down, arms up overhead. And exhale, hands lower to the mat. Step forward. Inhale halfway. And exhale, folding. Inhale, arms rise up, and we repeat that other side. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, long spine. Step the right foot back, right knee down, arms extend up. Exhale, take it back, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower, halfway, push up, upward dog, inhale. This time right back, downward dog, exhale. Finish it out, right foot steps forward. Inhale, lunge, arms reach up. Exhale, hands lower, step to a forward fold. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, forward fold. Bent knees, inhale, arms rise overhead. Exhale, hands connect heart center. This time, inhale, arms reach up, side bend, lifting up and over to the right side. Take it back to center, switch, reach up and over to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to lengthen. And exhale, step the left foot back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing, exhale. Stay with the right leg. Right leg lifts, inhale. Step it forward between the hands. Inhale, arms rise overhead. And then sweep the arms down by your side. Still in that lunge, inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, take them down by your side. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, take it back. Hands to heart center, slowly step your left foot up to meet the right. We're in a chair pose, arms reach up overhead. And exhale, hands connect heart center, standing up tall. Other side, inhale, reach up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Back to center, inhale. Side bend to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, planting palms. The right foot steps back now. Inhale. And exhale, back, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Stay with the left leg. Inhale, lifting the left leg up. Exhale, step it forward, high lunge. Inhale, arms overhead. Stay in that lunge. Exhale, sweep the arms by your side. 2 more like that. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, take it down by your side. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale, arms sweep by your side. Hands to heart center. Slowly step right foot up to meet the left. Back in that chair pose. This time to twist. Hands to heart center. Twist to the right. Left elbow hooks over the right knee. Twist with your breath. Remember to smile. Come back to center. And exhale, twist to the left. Remember to breathe. Inhale, back to center chair. And exhale, come on up to standing. Separate your feet inner hip distance. Interlace the hands up overhead. Once again, side bend to the right. Inhale, back to center and side bend to the left. Moving with the breath. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, forward fold. Long spine inhale, step the left foot back, high lunge. This is a core twist. Left arm reaches forward, right hand back behind you. Inhale, arms back up overhead. And again, twisting from the core. Inhale, arms up. Left arm forward, right arm back. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, hands come on down. Step back to a plank. You're going to take it into a low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Right leg lifts, inhale. Knee to nose. Inhale, extend the leg back out. Exhale, step forward. Twisting, keep the left hand grounded. Right arm reaches up overhead. Gaze to the side or up at those right fingertips. Breathe. And exhale, lower your right hand down. Step your left foot up to meet the right. Inhale, long spine, and exhale, folding. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, arms rise. Forward fold, exhale. Doing the other side. Inhale to lengthen. Step your right foot back. Inhale, arms reach up overhead, high lunge. To twist, right arm forward, left arm behind you. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, twisting. Inhale, arms reach up. One more. Exhale, twist. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, hands lower down. Step back, downward dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Left leg lifts high. Bring knee to nose. Inhale, extend the leg back out. Step that left foot between the hands, here for your twist. Right hand grounds. Left arm reaches to the side or up to the sky. Stay rooted through that left foot. And the side's a little different. You're going to turn to the long edge of your mat, toes in, heels out. For a twist, keep your left hand down, right arm to the side or up to the ceiling. Try and keep your hips level and breathe. Switch sides, right hand down, left arm to the side or up. Now let's work those inner hips. Lower your left hand. Inhale, lengthen. Bend into your right knee. Inhale back to center and bend your left knee. Pulse between the two. Inhale, center. Bending your right knee. Back to center. And bend into the left knee. Back to center. Bend into the right knee. Back to center. And bend into the left knee. Come on back up. Take the heels in, toes out. Now in a twist. You're in a horse or goddess stance. Traction the spine out. Drop your right shoulder. Look left. Inhale, back to center. Twist to the right. Back to center. Twist to the left. Inhale, center. To the right. Back to center. Twist to the left. Come on back to center. Twisting right. Inhale, take it back. Arms extend up overhead. Straighten those legs out. Then looking forward, step your way to the front of the mat. One more side bend. Reach the arms up. Lifting up and over to the right side. One breath. Inhale, back to center, and then switch to the left. Back to center. Let's work out those shoulders. Take a soft forward fold. Separate the feet inner hip distance and interlace the hands small at the back. Let the hands either stay at your low back or reach up and overhead. Breathe. Keep a bend in the knees, relax neck. Release the bind. You're going to come all the way down to seated. So any way that is easy for you. From seated, extend the legs out in front of you. You're going to wrap it up with a spinal twist. So bend that right knee, place the sole of your foot down to the mat. Left arm reaches up. Hook the left elbow over your right knee. Take a deep breath in, extend the spine, exhale, twist. Switch sides. Counter twist. And then we switch legs. So you're going to hook the right elbow over your left knee. Counter twist to the right. And that concludes day number 1. Commit to this series to detox, cleanse your body. See you tomorrow for day 2.